day of the week, you might catch me in my studio playing dress-ups. This helps me get inspired for future creations. My, oh my, what a mess my art room is in. I don't believe I can squeeze another thing in here. What do I do to get inspired in my art room? Well, I have junk everywhere. If you can look around, let me see. I have junk everywhere. That's my painting junk right now. I'm in the middle of painting. But I have found things in secondhand stores and I buy them because they inspire me. I like them. They're not expensive things. They just stimulate my imagination. One of the things I found in Texas is this hat in one of the convenience stores there. I don't know if you can see me better or not, see me like that or not. I need to pull back a little bit. I wish I had the nerve to wear this. I would wear it. I guarantee you, if I was younger, I'd wear it just like that. Especially if I was back teaching school again. I'd wear this hat to school. The kids would love it. I was at Walmart and in the Halloween department. I like that area. I love Halloween. I found this black wig. I thought to myself, I want that wig. I need that wig. It reminds me of Frida Kahlo, a Spanish artist, Mexican Spanish artist that I really admire and like her art a lot. I thought, this hat and wig would be great props for a photo session that I could take and do a painting dealing either with her or about the Day of the Dead. In fact, there was a contest that I saw on Facebook, and it said they're going to have an exhibit of the Day of the Dead. So I thought, well, I might get an idea to do a painting for that and submit it and see if it's in the show. I like it. These are photographs taken by my daughter Sarah in Corpus Christi, Texas at the Day of the Dead Festival, Dia de los Muertos. This is a Mexican holiday that celebrates the ancestors who have passed away. I was talking about Frida Kahlo. She's an Hispanic Mexican artist who lived in the early part of the 20th century. I just love her. Y'all, you just have to feel sorry for my husband. He doesn't know, he doesn't know what hit him with me. I've hidden all of this craziness, I guess, for a long time, and it's coming out. It's coming out. Of course, my students, when I was teaching high school and elementary, they knew about it. Oh, yes, and my family knew about it. But to this degree, now where does she think she's going to put that thing? Guess what? I found an invisible man. I'm not kidding. It's not science fiction. I really did. I was out junking the other day and there it was in a box. And now it's here. Boom, 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 boom. This was an old anatomy kit I found out. I love it. My husband said, "How did you find an invisible man? If it's invisible." Funny man. Funny man. Here's my invisible man. It's a plastic toy that was educational. I found it at a secondhand store for $3. Now where am I going to put it in my art room? Oh, me. I'll find a place. Don't worry. I place my invisible man in my art room. You'd think it'd be easy since he's invisible. Have you ever lost something and can't find it anywhere? Well, I've lost my camera stand that I used to make videos. It's about 2 feet high. It's something I made. But I've looked in every part of the house. I've looked everywhere that I might have used it. Nothing. Not one place. Now, I haven't asked the universe to help me yet. I don't know where to look. One of the places it possibly could be is in my art room. Oh, my word. I'm going to leave it to the universe to help me find my video stand, so I think I'll get to work. I just checked the time, and it's 11 o'clock. I'm just now getting to my painting. Lord, it's a mess in this art room. After I paint today, I've got to get this place straightened up. You know, sometimes it gets a little too chaotic to do anything. You have to have your mind cleared sometimes. And by cleaning your art space, that does help a little bit. I'm working on this painting here. This woman in a swimming pool, which I thought was kind of funny because I thought of doing that many times. Just getting a swimming pool and sitting in it. Even though I belong to a pool and I can go swimming anytime, I just visualize myself doing this in my backyard. Anyway, it's 11 o'clock and I haven't started painting. I was hoping today that this would be the final time to work on this because I'm wanting to enter this in a contest. So just got my water clean, filled up. I'd like to find something where my brushes would lay a little flatter. And some of these brushes are in sad shape. I need to get rid of them, I think.
On my last 9 acrylic paintings, I've added this type of ink, and I think I like it. No, I take that back. I know I like it. It's great.
I found it. It was under my drawing desk. Thank you, universe, for helping me. Oh my goodness. See what happens when you clean up? Well, I found a place for my invisible man. He's dreaming, wishing, and doing.
I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, subscribe, like, and don't forget to press that notification button so that you can see my future videos. Remember, enjoy more. Bye.